One-way switch. Two-way switch. Bed switch. Bell switch. Fan regulator. Switchboard indicator. Board fuse. KitKat fuse. 2-pin socket. 5-pin socket. 2-pin plug top. 3-pin plug top. Switchboard. Extension board. Power board. Concealed metal box. Pendant holder. Batten holder. Angle batten holder. Casing capping. Conduit pipe. Conduit bend. Screw or anchor. Saddle clamp. GI clamp. Two-way angle box. Three-way T box. Four-way cross box. Junction box. Junction linker. Ceiling rose. T cover. Flexible conduit pipe. Concealed box. Fan box. Earthing plate. Single pole McB. Double box McB. McB box. DP switch. Tester. Screwdriver. Digital tester. Wire cutter plier. Plier. Clam meter. Insulation tape.